Welcome back to NextWaveeAI, your go-to place to discover powerful AI tools that save you time, money, and effort. Here, we don't just talk about AI, we show you how to actually use it in real life. In today's video, we're exploring Durable.AI, an incredible AI website builder that can create a complete business website in under 30 seconds. No coding, no complex setup. Just type your business name, click generate, and you're ready to go. Let's see how easy it is to build your first website using Durable. My friend Ria had a dream to start her own baking business. She had the talent, the recipes, and even a tiny kitchen setup. But what she didn't have? A website. She tried hiring someone, but the cost was overwhelming. She opened WordPress, got confused, and gave up in 10 minutes. She almost quit on her dream. Until one day, she stumbled upon something magical, an AI tool that could build her entire website in just 30 seconds. The tool was called Durable.AI, and what happened next changed everything. Durable is a new-age AI website builder. You just type in your business type, hit generate, and boom, it builds a full website with images, text, layout, and even a call-to-action button automatically. Sounds crazy? Let me show you how easy it really is. Step 1. Go to www.durable.co. Start by visiting Durable's official website. You don't need to log in at first. Step 2. Enter your business type. Type something like home bakery or freelance photographer, whatever your business is. Step 3. Click Generate Website. In seconds, it creates a full website. Headline, services, images, contact info, all tailored to your niche. Step 4. Customize your site. Click on any section to edit text, swap images, or add new blocks. It's super intuitive and beginner-friendly. Step 5. Publish. When you're done, click Publish. You can link your own domain or use theirs. Bonus features. Durable also offers built-in tools like CRM to manage customers, invoicing system analytics to track site visitors, and even AI-powered marketing suggestions. This isn't just a website builder, it's a full business toolkit. Within minutes, Ria had a beautiful website for her bakery. She started sharing it on Instagram and taking online orders, all thanks to Durable.AI. What seemed impossible a week ago became a reality in minutes. That's the power of the right AI tool at the right time. So if you're stuck or overwhelmed like Ria was, try Durable. Link is in the description. And trust me, you'll be surprised. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our shorts for more cool AI tools that can simplify your life. This is NextWaveeAI, helping you ride the AI wave smarter.